Are you tired of writing SEO briefs that never rank? Learn how to generate a data-backed brief in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly where to click in Semrush to generate a brief that matches search intent. Let's start by organizing your projects. First, go to your Semrush folders to keep everything organized. Then, click on Content in the left-hand menu. Now, select SEO Brief Generator from the Content tools. Review the overview of what the SEO Brief Generator can do. Click Try it now for free to get started. Review the subscription details pop-up. Click How your free trial works to understand the terms. Review the free trial information, and you're all set to create your first SEO brief. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.